Welcome to Boutir Tutorials.
In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to delight your customers with discounts and promotions.
For better experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin.
Firstly, we will guide you on setting the discount price for your customers. Do note that this is part of the add products process. You may find the full video in the description box. In the process of adding your product, you can set a discount for your customers by tapping on Discount Price. Please note that this is the display for a Business Plus subscriber. For Starter Plan, you may add a discount price for all your customers. For Business Plan, you may add a discount price to your customers and members. For Business Plus users, you may add a discount price for your customers and assign them according to your membership tiers. Once done, tap Done. Next, we will proceed to creating a custom promo code for your customers. In your homepage, tap on Promotion. Then, select Install Promotion. Tap Create under the promo code section. Now, insert the text for your promo code. Select the discount type and complete the required details. You can set up conditions for your customers to use the promo code in terms of required payment method. Do note that enabling this unlimited button enables your customers to use the code more than once. Once done, tap Create. Your created promo code will now appear here. Here, you can see the analytics of your promo code and also the quota of promo codes you have for your online store. Do note that the higher your paid plan is, the more custom promo codes you can create for your online store.
That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Download Boutir now on Google Play Store or App Store.